Hello, my beautiful, beautiful people. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let me know below after you're done how the sequence felt on your body. Let's start off in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, palms together by your heart. Repeat after me. I am grateful to be alive. Life is beautiful and I get to experience it. Today is a brand new day. This moment is so special. I will treasure this moment. Now stand on your shins, toes untucked. Inhale, hands reach to the sky, palms touch, slight back bend. Exhale to release into child's pose. Bum touches your heels. Breathe. This breath is a symbol of life. Repeat after me. I am grateful for my lungs. For the ability to inhale and exhale with ease. I will assist my lungs by practicing belly breathing. I am grateful for the oxygen in my system. Now listen to the sound of my voice. Each time you inhale, oxygen is sent to your brain. This oxygen helps reduce the stress hormones, adrenaline, and cortisol. Continue to inhale and exhale. Gently push into your palms, shift your hips forward into tabletop. Inhale, arch the spine, look up. Exhale, round the spine, tuck your chin in, tailbone tucks in. A few cat-cows at your own pace. Round the spine and hold. Breathe into this space. Arch the spine and hold. Breathe into this space. Send your hips back to touch your heels, arms extended in front of you in surrender. Repeat after me quietly in your mind. I am a spiritual being. My breath connects me to the universe. I am energy. I am positive energy. Walk your hands to the right and breathe into that stretch. Repeat after me. Good energy flows through me as I release anything that no longer serves me. Walk your hands to the left and breathe. Bring your focus to your breath. Lay on your back. Legs extended in front of you. Bend your right knee and bring it to your chest. Cactus your right arm on the mat. Left palm on your knee. Bring that knee down towards the left side of the mat. Look to the right and breathe. Right leg meets the left. Shift your hips slightly to the left. Bend your knee and bring it to your chest. Cactus your left arm and bring the bent knee towards the right side of the mat. Look to the left and breathe. Extend both legs comfortably on the mat, arms by your side. Let your breath be slow and gentle. Notice your jaw. Is it clenched? Release it. Notice your eyebrows. Are they tense? Release them. Move your shoulders from your ears. Notice your arms and chest. Are they tight? Send that breath to your chest and allow it to sink deeper into the floor. Allow your arms to melt into the mat. Release. Release any tension in your shoulders, your hips, your knees, and your feet. Allow them to be free. Notice how heavy your body feels on the mat. It is in this surrender that our body can fuel itself. Inhale life into this body of yours. Exhale and melt into the floor. Find some gentle movement here. Move your fingers, your toes. Start to slowly bring awareness to your body and gently turn onto your side. Slowly make your way up to seated position. Thank you everyone for joining me today, and thank yourselves for making time to care for you. With warmth and gratitude,